This is a special podcast presentation from 700WLW.com. This is Casey Boland on Demand.
Casey Boland, the question here that you proposed, you asked people if you could buy back into the stock market today. Would you buy the same stocks that you're holding on to right now?
Yeah, it's what's called the overnight test, and people oftentimes question, is my investment allocation right? Well, imagine your investment portfolio somehow got liquidated, so when you wake up, you've got 100% cash. Now you're given the opportunity to buy back into the market, no cost, no tax issues. The question then is, would you recreate the same portfolio that you're currently holding?
And that is a good question.
It is. And, you know, if it is, if you would do that, great. You don't have to make any changes. But I think a lot of times people look at their portfolio and say, you know what, maybe I'm taking too much risk, not enough risk, or maybe there's some biases that are preventing you from selling something.
So you're looking at something, you're holding a stock that's obviously it's lost its value since when you first bought it, and it's just sitting there. And all of a sudden, if you're liquid, would you buy that same stock back? I would think the answer would, in many cases, be no.
I think you're right, because is it bearable to take the loss? And if that's the reason why you haven't sold it, that's not a very good reason. You have to invest based on discipline, so it has to be based on sound fundamental analysis. And if it still meets that criteria, well, yeah, continue to hold it. If not, move on, sell it.
But again, procrastination plays into it, and we look at it and say, okay, I'll get around to that one of these days.
You're right, and that's really the effect of inertia and procrastination, because it takes time and effort to evaluate your goals and determine whether or not your portfolio fits your needs. It's easier to ignore it. In the case of your investments, though, you can't afford that kind of stagnation. You need your investments to work given your current goals. So, hey, we're all busy. We've got too many things on the to-do list. Do yourself a favor, though. Take some time to evaluate your investments. Make sure your investments are on track.
Got you covered, Casey, and have a fantastic weekend. The question is, how big an impact did Caitlyn Jenner's appearance have on SB ratings? We got it just ahead, 700 WL.